What's better for resin jewelry, wood or metal bezels? Let's weigh the pros and cons of each while I unbox these new beauties. In case we haven't met yet, my name is Elizabeth. I make and sell custom and unique resin jewelry on my website, calicounicorn.com. Once again, a huge thank you and a shout out to Sophia. I'll link her channel and her Etsy store below where you can go check out and purchase her awesome wooden bezels that she makes.
Yes!
How stinking cute are these shapes? I never was a bunny person, but now these ones are crying out to me. These and, of course, the teeny tiny ones. So metal bezels have been the standard forever, right? They're definitely durable, they shine, but they can be pretty limiting sometimes. They're definitely heavier, and they are a cold contrast against organic materials like flowers and other botanicals. I don't hate metal bezels, I just think that wood bezels have all the personality. Wood bezels are cut by a laser, so they can be cut to nearly any shape or size. Case in point, look at the detail in these flowers. So I love the warm look of wood and resin put together. Plus they have the added bonus of not weighing your earrings down to the point where your earlobes need a chiropractor. But before you come at me for wearing rose-colored glasses, wood definitely has some quirks in working with it. Hey, don't we all? If you use clear or translucent colors, then you definitely have to seal the wood or you're going to get bubbles. There's just no way around it. And speaking of bubbles, you can't go at it with a torch or a lighter to pop any bubbles, unless you want to see it go up in flames. What I really love about wood bezels is they have this natural, earthy aesthetic that's really hard to replicate with metal. Plus, they absorb the resin just a tiny bit, giving the pieces a little more blended, seamless look. Metal bezels may be able to survive the zombie apocalypse, but they won't give you the cozy vibes wood bezels will give you. But they do require a little TLC, meaning you can't go throwing them against the wall or using them as a weapon, and you probably want to keep them out of the toilet as much as you can. They're wood, after all.
Okay.
I'm pretty much squealing like a little schoolgirl right now. I mean, look at all these teeny tiny ones. These are the ones that I just am dying to use.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they can be hard to find flowers and other things to put in them sometimes, but they're worth it at the end. They are the ones that catch my eye for sure.
Hi.
Just when I thought there was a full box of survivors, we did have one casualty here. At the end of the day, both bezels have their place. Metal is great for when you need structure, shine, and an alternate defense weapon. Wood is perfect if you want that soft, earthy, I swear I don't live in a fairy cottage, but also here's my dry flower collection aesthetic. So which one's better? Honestly, it depends on your vibe, your patience level, and how attached you are to your eyebrows staying intact.
Ouch!
So are you team metal or team wood?